We are here today to talk about the taboo and difficult subject.
Bathroom problems.
We've all had them.
But the important thing is to not let them go on for too long, like we did with this missing towel rack.
It was in need of a repair when we first started our DIY channel. And we're here today to actually do that repair.
Yep, the original homeowners or previous homeowners used the world's largest drywall anchors when they put this up. And they eventually pulled completely out of the wall. So we're going to use toggle bolts to put it all back together after more than a year.
I'm Daniel.
I'm Jay-Z.
This is Just My DIY.
Let's get to it. First, we have to clean off the old attachment plate, getting the drywall anchors and all the other goop that had apparently been used to secure this to the wall over the years. Once it's clean, we grab some toggle bolts and get started.
To use a toggle bolt, you simply insert the V away from the head of the bolt onto the bolt. Twist it a few times, and it acts as an anchor to traction against.
Yep, so when it goes in the wall, it pops open, and there's your tension.
So now to actually do it, we actually have to insert the bolt through the plate that would be holding your towel rack up.
We're going to do a quick depth check to make sure we know how much room we're working with. This is 3/4 inch drywall, so when we put the toggles onto the bolts, we want to make sure there's enough space that when they close, that when they go through the wall, they have enough room to open back again. So this is about where we landed with that. And now it's time to put it in the wall. So you close the toggles. And I was checking directionality here to make sure they'd be able to pop open without interference, and finesse them into the wall.
Once it's resting in place, we traction against it to get the toggle bolts to grip on the back side of the drywall, and slowly screw each bolt into its ever-tightening posture, trying to keep them kind of at some sort of equalness to each other.
So there's alternating screws. Then we place the towel rack onto the plates and give that a nice little tighten. It's as easy as that. Yes! Now, after more than a year, we have our towel rack. Hopefully this shows you that fixing a towel rack is not as hard as it may seem.
If this helped you with your bathroom problems, and feel free to like, subscribe, ring the bell, leave us some potty humor in the comment section, and of course there's a list of materials down below.
And if you're not watching this on our website, head over to justmydiy.com for more. Thanks for watching.